guys. It's been cold and it's starting to warm up a bit this afternoon. But look what I just did. I just decided, like, spur of the moment. Oh, these two OGs. Look, I just opened this door. I was like, screw it. Let's see what's gonna happen. No one's going out? Are you guys all too scared? You're just gonna hide out in the corner. There's cool stuff outside. Grass, sunshine, dirt. Come on, girls, go for it. And the little wild one. Hopefully no cats get her. I think all the cats are in right now. She's pretty good at flying. And she's a fighter too. I don't think she'd take much guff from a cat. Girls, look it, the door's open. Give it a go. Give it a go, girls. Reba knows what it's all about. Reba used to live outside with her brothers. She knows the whole area here. But the other ones have never been free. Oh, a big piece of ice just fell from up there. Oh, Reba's got a friend out there with her. Midgie. Oh, yeah, Reba, you can be the leader out there. Because you know, oh, guess who's coming? Dolly. She's one of the ones I was going to put in with you guys. Be nice, Dolly. Girls, she's not even being mean to you. She's just coming to check things out. Oh, now that she did it. Oh, Badger. Look at, they don't seem to care much about the little ones. They're just like, oh yeah, we've lived here lots of times. Now who's coming? Oh, here comes Kiwi back in. She's like, I don't know about this. Oh, loudmouth. Loudmouth vulture. Reba's the only one left out there because Reba's like, yeah. This is, oh, here comes Reba. Full speed. You had a little taste of freedom again, Reba? Remember when you used to live out there? Oh, Kiwi's still out there on the other side of the fence. And look at, Badger's eating. And look who came through the tiny, skinny little tunnel. Dolly. Did you find a tunnel, Dolly? You think you got something neat, but... Oh, wow, look at you. Okay, Dolly, I think you're going to live with these girls. And your sister... Ginger. Okay, little one, you be careful. Stay by your group. Oh, geez, did you see that? Everyone stay in a group. I seriously think that since they've just been living... Dolly. Is Dolly gonna lay an egg? What are you doing in there? That's like a nesting box, Dolly. So sit down in there and lay an egg. Whatever. It's almost like the big ones don't really care about these ones. They've been on the other side of the fence for like months, and they're just like, yeah, we know you guys. But when I did try to put Ginger in when they were on the big side, the little gray one here, Baby Gray is her name, she's right there, she went after Ginger, and she also beat up Maple. Oh, here's, speaking of Maple. Ooh, Maple, look at. Okay, how many do we got left in here? We got 4 left. Oh. Okay, we got 4 left on the inside, 3 on the outside. And then big ones, we've got Maple, He's eating the snow. And we got Dolly, who's just like, hey, I just found the coolest fort nobody knows about. Dolly, why don't you go back out the tunnel? Oh yeah, she's gonna fit through that little tunnel. That's how she got in here. She doesn't like going past me in the door. Squeeze, squeeze, Dolly, you can do it. Or else we, oh, she squeezed out. There she is. Oh, we're now up to 4 outside. 3 inside. The little one's inside. Chili Pepper, there she is. Look at her big chest. Oh, she got too many snacks today. Martha. What? Midge is back in. Midge, Chili Pepper, Martha. Reba, Kiwi, Baby Gray, and oh, Pudgy. You know what? Pudgy, actually all these guys, except for Chili Pepper, they look a lot bigger than they are because they're so freaking fluffy. So that's a good thing. You don't look bigger than you are. Are you coming back in? You don't want to miss out. You think this is so cool that the door is open. Good. Make friends. Like, I really want to start integrating you guys all together, so it's a beautiful sunny day and there hasn't been any predators around. I haven't seen any hawks. What are you doing, Dolly? What are you doing? Where are you going? You're pecking at my jacket? Oh, she left. Okay. You 3, you gotta come this way to get out. Should I chase you out? You think you can fit through there and you can't. Okay, I'll show you the way. Go. Go that way. Go that way. Go that way, guys. Go. Go. Go that way. Go. It's okay. Everybody go. Little one, you can't fit that way. Okay, you'll have to figure it out on your own. I'm not going to chase you. Oh, the little one's going to get left in here. Stay with your friends, please. Look at. Look what these guys are doing. We got Reba. Here comes the bully. Oh. Good job, Reba. Maple, be nice. You guys got your freedom. Maple's gonna come and try and bully you. And up there is Ginger. She won't bully anybody, but Maple, what a jerk. Freedom! Guys, figure it out. Figure it out. Your friends are all out here. Okay, I'm gonna come and get you guys and put you out here. I just have to pause this camera for a minute. They're all out. I even chased the little one out. That one I just picked up. And that one I picked up. Oh, little one. Oh my gosh. Please stay with your friends. Stay by Baby Gray. Oh, Dolly. Nope. That ain't allowed. Uh-oh, who's getting hurt here? Okay, you guys, you might all have to go back. Dolly's being a jerk now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, they're all together. Looks like I gotta take a seat. Oh, the seat's wet. What are you guys doing? What do you think of it? What do you think of it? You see these little ones out here all ripping around? What do you think, Biggie? It's a bunch of new girls. One's pretty little. Oh man. What's happening? Oh, Biggie's trying to dance around. Oh, Biggie. Stop. Go hang out with the big girls. Yeah, go. Go hang out with the big girls. Reba. Everyone's all under this carragana tree, which is good. It's close to home and it's lots of branches to hide in. They get bullied. And I think I'm going to give it maybe, well, it's getting pretty late in the day, so I'll probably let them go to bed on their own tonight. And I might even throw a couple in there with them. Who should it be? I was thinking Ginger and Dolly, but now I see Dolly being a jerk. Maybe, well, Jelly used to live with them. She was a bit of a bully though, too. Maple's a bully. The only chicken that's not a bully is Ginger. And she's the same breed as these ones, only she's full size and these ones are bantams. Cochin bantams, and she's a full-size bantam, or a full-size Cochin. That's why they all have such nice personalities. Maybe I could put Ginger and Dolly in. I could put Penny in. She's pretty passive. I'll give it some thought tonight. Okay, girls. Enjoy your freedom. Try to keep a low profile. And everybody stay together. I'll see you in a couple hours. Have fun. Where's the little one? Oh, there she is. She's way back there. Right back there behind that fence. Oh, you guys. Watch out for Maple.